Hi, it's Alex again. Thanks for watching my video. This video is a short tutorial on how I achieve my high puff. At present my hair is extremely dry, so I need to refresh and re-moisturize it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching. These are the few products that I'm going to use to refresh my hair. The most important element that I need for refreshing my hair is water. I have water in this bottle. This used to be green tea restructurizer in here, but it ran out, so I've replaced this with water. I've done that because it's got a very good spritzer here, and it's easier for me to spray this into my hair. Secondly, I'm going to use the Moisture Miracle essential oils to oil my scalp and massage that in. And also I'm going to be using the Main Choice sealing cream to keep the moisture within my hair. And finally, I'll be using the Eco Styler, what's left of my Eco Styler, to gel my the ends and the edges. And finally, a brush. So I've sped up this video to make this a lot quicker. As you can see right now, I'm spritzing water all over my hair, from the roots and to cover the ends as well, to moisturize and to add a lot of moisture to my hair. After that, I go straight on to applying the African Pride oil to my scalp. The main reason why I apply the oil is to use it to massage my scalp, and the bottle allows me to apply it a lot quicker. As you can see, I'm now beginning to massage my scalp. So I just massage the front and the back, and especially my edges where I've lost quite a lot of hair. This should help to replenish the growth. Research proves that massaging your scalp allows for easy blood circulation, and this promotes hair growth. After applying the oil, I go ahead and apply the sealing cream to seal in the oil and the water, the moisture that is currently in my hair. And once I'm happy with the amount of moisture in my hair, I go on and apply the gel. I use my Eco Styler gel and apply it to my edges, the front and the back. There's no need to add the gel to the middle or the top of the hair. Once I've applied the Eco Styler gel to my ends and edges, I use a bristle brush to comb and to smooth and flatten my hair down. Now I'm going to use my satin tie to tie my high puff. It's up to you how high you want your puff to be or how low you want it. It's advisable not to tie your hair too tight, as that could also cause breakage. I tied it relatively loose and pushed the tie back as far back as I wanted my puff to be. So now I'm using the brush to brush out my edges, so I can also use the Eco Styler gel to sleek down the edges and make it look more presentable. I'm not very good at slicking down my edges, as you can see, but I do make an effort from time to time. Otherwise, when I can't be bothered, I would just leave my edges the way they are and just sleek them back. Once I'm happy with the way my hair looks, and feels, I take my scarf, wrap it around my head and tie it, and I leave it on for about 10 minutes or more. So now I'm ready to show you the results of the gel and the high puff. So I'm just going to unravel the scarf. So this is what the hair looks like after, I think I left it in for about 30 minutes because I had things to do. And this is what it looks like dried. So it's just nice and slick. I just need to fluff to get it as big as possible, depending how I want it. So yeah, this is the result. It's very simple to achieve. It literally took less than 5 minutes for me to refresh my hair, to add moisture, and to have a sleeked back. So if you'd like to try this, just let me know, show me pictures. Again, just don't forget to leave comments. Now this hair's refreshed. It should last me another few days before my wash day. And the next video that I will put up will show you how I actually achieve my wash day on a weekly basis. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.